Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register MetLife member account, enrollment guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the MetLife official website. Locate the member login option on the home page. Click on the register or enroll link to start the account registration process. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your personal information as requested. Provide your first name, last name, and date of birth. Input your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Next, enter your policy or member number. If you don't have a member number, find the alternative options provided. Once all fields are filled, review your information for accuracy. After confirming your details, click the Submit button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submission. Check your inbox for the email from MetLife. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the MetLife homepage. Click on the Member Login option again. Enter your email address and password to access your account. You are now logged into your MetLife member account. Explore the features available to you as a member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.